Wait, who's the person?
7. Yeah, slow it down a bit. Some of us have training wheels. 7. No, wait. Wait for the go. Wait for the go.
You have to wait for her to get in her head first. Come on.
Go. 11.
13.
9.
6.
5.
2.
4.
1.
18? 14. So.
I had 13.
What about
I'm not playing.
12?
11.
11.
Damn.
Well, how many is on each team? You got 4
Couple.
so far.
Few.
4. 5.
Yeah, 4.
4, 6. So that means.
It was 5 against 6, Kat. 5 against 6.
5, thank you. Math major right there. All right.
You're good.
Seriously, I am.
You got a bright future.
And it goes this way now?
Yeah.
He's in fucking high school.
Go.
17.
12.
There you
11.
go. Now we farkle for the next
Y'all
one?
knew it was around 13.
Yep. You pick one and then you'll farkle.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Good.
13. There you go.
Who's farkling?
Do I farkle against?
You farkle against someone on the opposite team for her.
Come on.